What's up, guys? So I got the Hoto drill here, setting up for my live stream Saturday here, and thought I would do a little demo of it. We're going to drill into this wood, into the other wood. We'll go out at the corner here and see how it drills. Now these are the Hoto bits. I actually like how it's like a snub nose, and it's just like real clean design. Let's get that off of there, and we'll see how good it does at driving a screw in. Yes, it's a pre-drilled hole, but this is another Hoto bit, one of their own. Make sure I got locked in there good, put in screwing mode. Got the power turned all the way up there. Thing's got some torque, sunk it right in there. No problem. It's a proper application for a drill. Put it into drill mode. Right in there. It's got power for a little 12-volt brushless. Definitely homeowner drill, but I think it's pretty neat. Sink the screw. Here we go. It's torquey. We'll do one without even a pre-drilled hole right next to there, just to see how it does. Drives it in no problem. We'll see if it can't sink some 4-inch timber locks. We'll just see what it can do. This is a big ask for a little 12-volter. So just let's see what it can do. We'll go back right about here. Right about there. Whew. Alright, let's see here. Let's see where we're at. Let's back it out a little bit. Got it down pretty far. Farther than I was ever expecting. And it sunk it. Here we go. Oh. Let me turn the speed down, maybe lower torque. Nope. Whew. All right, we'll bring it up a little bit. See if we can't drive it that last little bit. Sunk it. A little bit of work. Higher than what I was expecting from the Hoto.